weather brings drier air, which can mean chapped lips, itchy skin, even nosebleeds. A humidifier might help, so consumer reporter Marilyn Moritz helps you navigate the choices to figure out which type is right for you.
Every year as cold weather hits, Alex Joyce breaks out several humidifiers.
By having the humidifier in the bedroom, it would bring it to a more comfortable humidity in the room, and I would wake up in the morning and not have dry sinuses, and I would not have dry lips.
There are three main types of humidifiers: evaporative, which draw air through a wet wick filter; ultrasonic, which release fine mist into the air; and vaporizers, which emit steam. Consumer Reports just tested 30 of them. First, moisture output.
Winter comes, you put your heating system on, the air dries out. You want to know how much humidity you can put back into the room.
They also looked at features, noise, and how easy they are to clean. They found bacteria can grow in every type, but evaporative types are less likely to put bacteria back into the air.
It may grow in the tank, but it's not going to come out.
They say this Well at Walgreens brand evaporative humidifier is a good choice for medium-sized rooms. It's $32. Keep in mind, evaporative units are noisier because of the fan. If you'd prefer quiet, consider an ultrasonic. This CVS brand got top ratings for a small room. It's $30.
No matter what type you have, you'll want to rinse and dry it every day and disinfect it once a week. Marilyn Moritz, KSAT 12 News.